boys and girls, good morning. Today our book is I Heard, Said the Bird. There's our R-controlled vowel, I-R. Polly Behrens is the author and Brad Sneed is the illustrator. And here's our title page. I bet you could guess what animal that is. And our dedication page. A bird flew into the barnyard. I heard, said the bird. I heard. What? Asked all the other animals. What did you hear? I heard, said the bird, that there's a new one coming. Soon the barnyard was bustling with the news. Everyone began asking, what is the new one going to be? They asked the duck, is the new one a duckling? But the duck said, no. They asked the pig, is the new one a piglet? But the pig said, no. They asked the goose and the hare. Remember our story, the tortoise and the hare? It's another word for rabbit. They asked the mouse and the mare, a horse. They asked here and there and everywhere, but everybody said no. How do you know there's a new one coming? Said all the animals together. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Just then a little boy came out. What's going on? He asked. Well, the animals told him, it's about the new one. I heard, said the bird. How? Said the cow. When? Said the hen. Where? Said the mare. In the house? Squeaked the mouse. Yes, said the little boy. Yes, what? Shouted all the animals. Yes, said the little boy, the new one is in the house, and if you'll be very quiet, I'll let you see him. Ooh, cried the animals all together. I wonder what the new one is in the house. Think about that for a moment. Then, very quietly, the little boy led the animals to the house, and very quietly, they all tiptoed to the window and looked inside. You're right, it's a new baby, the little boy whispered. My word, said the bird, and how, said the cow. Of course, said the horse. I declare, said the hare. The end. I wonder if you knew what the bird heard. And I wonder if you figured out who was or what was the new one that was coming. Today for your assignment, I would like you to reread this if you need to or re-listen. And then I want you to list me all the characters you possibly can. Remember, characters in our book could be a person or an animal. And there are many animals in this book. So go on to Seasaw and please read to me, or you can type the different characters that you found in I Heard, Said the Bird. Have a great day, boys and girls. Bye.